Hello guys, welcome back to the workshop. It was a pleasure to meet you. Previously, we have drawn the menu map for our electronic clock, and we have succeeded. From the previous project, at least 6 important points that we have learned. First, draw the menus for normal operation, or normal mode. Such, introducing the device identity. Give information when the device begins to operate, and what device needs to show. Now, you have understood, menu number 3 is the main menu. Second, draw the menus for setting operation, or setting mode. Such, enter and edit hours. Enter and edit minutes. Exit and confirm exit. And also, the menu to give us information when we enter or exit setting mode. There are other 4 important points. We believe you will easy to find them if you view the previous project, if you wish. From the previous project, menu by menu, we have drawn 10 menus in total. Please view the previous project if you want to know these steps. Okay, our task tonight is easier, because we just to modify this recent menu map into a better one for our next device. And the device is the clock with alarm. Okay. Let's begin to modify from normal mode first. Okay guys, let's get started. Alright. Here, we will not modify menu 1 and 2, because they're already true. So, let's move to menu number 3. Here, we need to modify this menu number 3. So, we erase first. Alright. Because, we will build the clock with an alarm function inside, so, we fill this menu number 3 with show time and alarm in hours and minutes. Okay. Before we move to modify the next menu, let's see the result first. Great. We did it. As you see here, menu number 3 is used to show the time and the alarm. The recent time is 12:43. And the alarm is 4:15. Menu number 2 is used to show please wait, because our device needs a delay before begins to operate, like we have explained before on the previous project. And menu number 1 is used to show the identity of the device. Okay guys, next part, we will move to modify the next menu for setting those hours and minutes on both sides, the clock and the alarm. Alright guys, see you in the next part. Please response if you like the project. Thanks for watching.